Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today, we're talking about something that's super exciting and honestly life-changing: starting a business in Dubai. I know what you're thinking. Dubai, isn't that like a playground for millionaires and billionaires? Well, yeah, it can be, but it's also a place where anyone with a solid plan and the drive to succeed can build something incredible. We're gonna break down the entire process step by step so you can navigate the ins and outs of setting up shop in one of the world's most dynamic business hubs. Whether you're an entrepreneur with a killer idea or an investor looking for the next big opportunity, this guide is your roadmap to Dubai's thriving business landscape. We'll cover everything from choosing the right business structure to understanding the legal requirements, finding the perfect location, and finally, getting your hands on that coveted business license. So if you're ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and become your own boss in a city that practically pulsates with opportunity, grab a pen and paper, because things are about to get seriously interesting. For further assistance in opening your company in Dubai, please leave a comment below or contact us directly. Dubai. Just saying the name conjures up images of towering skyscrapers, bustling markets, and a level of luxury that's almost hard to fathom. But beyond the glitz and glamour, Dubai is a city built on business. It's a place where entrepreneurs, innovators, and investors from around the globe converge to chase their dreams and build empires. So why Dubai? First off, let's talk about taxes. Imagine a place where you keep more of what you earn, because there's zero personal and corporate income tax. That's right, the money you make in Dubai stays in Dubai, giving you more capital to reinvest in your business and watch it grow. But it's not just about tax breaks. Dubai boasts a strategic location at the crossroads of Europe, Asia, and Africa. This makes it a gateway to over 3 billion potential customers, opening doors to international markets that would be nearly impossible to access otherwise. Think about the logistics, the ease of doing business across continents. Dubai puts you right in the center of it all. And let's not forget about the infrastructure. We're talking state-of-the-art transportation, world-class telecommunications, and a business-friendly environment that's constantly evolving to support growth and innovation. Alright, let's get down to brass tacks. Before you can start raking in the dirhams, you need to make sure you're operating legally, and that starts with securing the right business license. Think of it as your golden ticket to Dubai's entrepreneurial playground. Now, Dubai offers several types of business licenses, each tailored to different business activities and structures. Choosing the right one is crucial, so let's break down the most common options. First up, we have the commercial license. This is your go-to if you're planning to buy, sell, or trade goods. Think retail stores, e-commerce businesses, import-export ventures, basically anything involving the movement of goods. Next, we have the professional license. This one's for all the skilled professionals out there: consultants, lawyers, accountants, designers, you name it. If you're offering your expertise as a service, this is the license you'll need. Then there's the industrial license, designed for businesses involved in manufacturing, production, or industrial activities. Okay, so you've decided to take the plunge and launch your business in Dubai. You're buzzing with excitement, full of ideas, and ready to conquer the world. But before you start printing business cards, there's one crucial question you need to answer. What business activity will you pursue? Dubai's economy is incredibly diverse, with opportunities spanning countless industries. The key is to find your niche, something that aligns with your passions, skills, and market demand. Once you understand your strengths, research the market. Dubai is constantly evolving, with new trends and demands emerging all the time. Identify sectors experiencing growth, explore emerging industries, and look for gaps in the market that your business can fill. With millions of visitors flocking to the city each year, there's a constant demand for innovative tourism experiences, unique hospitality concepts, and personalized travel services. Chapter 4: Securing your brand, registering your business name in Dubai. Alright, so you've identified the perfect business activity, the one that gets you fired up and ready to take on the world. Now it's time to give your entrepreneurial dream a name, and not just any name. A name that's catchy, memorable, and officially registered in Dubai. Your business name is more than just a label. It's the identity of your brand, the first impression you make on potential customers, and a crucial element of your overall branding strategy. So, yeah, no pressure, but choosing the right name is kind of a big deal. First things first, let's talk about the legal side of things. In Dubai, you need to register your business name with the Department of Economic Development, or DD. This ensures that your chosen name is unique, hasn't already been registered by another business, and complies with the UAE's naming conventions. Speaking of naming conventions, Dubai has some specific guidelines you need to follow. For instance, you can't use any offensive or blasphemous language, names of government entities, or names that are already trademarked. It's also important to choose a name that's relevant to your business activity and easy for your target audience to understand and remember. Now let's talk strategy. When brainstorming business names, think about your brand identity, your target market, and the message you want to convey. Chapter 5. Location, location, location. Finding the perfect business address in Dubai. You've got your business idea locked in, your license is sorted, and your brand name is officially registered. Now comes another exciting step. Finding the perfect location for your Dubai venture. Location can make all the difference. Dubai is a city of diverse neighborhoods, each with its own unique vibe and advantages. Choosing the right location depends on your business activity, target market, and budget. Consider accessibility, target market, and foot traffic. Dubai's infrastructure is excellent, but choose a location that's easily accessible. Proximity to highways, public transportation, and parking is crucial. Align your location with your brand identity and budget. Real estate costs vary, so factor in all expenses. Chapter 6. Getting the green light. Applying for initial approval for your Dubai business. Alright, you're on a roll. You've laid the groundwork, chosen your business activity, found the perfect location, and your brand name is good to go. Now, it's time to make it official and apply for initial approval for your Dubai business. Think of this as getting the green light from the authorities, a crucial step that confirms your business activity is permissible and paves the way for obtaining your trade license. While it might sound intimidating, the process is actually quite straightforward, especially if you're armed with the right information. The first step is to submit your application to the Department of Economic Development, or DDD. You can do this online through their user-friendly portal, or visit one of their service centers for assistance. The application process is designed to be efficient, transparent, and hassle-free. You'll need to provide some basic information about your business, such as your chosen business activity, legal structure, shareholder details, and intended business name. Make sure you have all the required documents handy, such as your passport copies, visa page, and any relevant educational or professional certificates. Once you've submitted your application, the DED will review it to ensure it complies with all regulations and requirements. They might request additional documents or clarifications, so it's essential to respond promptly and provide any information they need. During this stage, you'll also need to choose your legal structure. Chapter 7. Making it official. Getting your business license in Dubai. Congratulations! You've secured initial approval, navigated the paperwork, and you're on the cusp of realizing your entrepreneurial dream in Dubai. Now, it's time for the final push, obtaining your coveted business license. This is the moment you've been working towards, the document that officially recognizes your business and allows you to operate legally in Dubai's thriving market. And while it might feel like you've already jumped through hoops, trust me, the final steps are surprisingly straightforward. With your initial approval in hand, you'll need to finalize a few essential documents. First up is your lease agreement. You'll need to secure a physical address for your business, whether it's a shop, office, or warehouse, and have a signed lease agreement to present to the DD. Next, you'll need to draft and notarize your Memorandum of Association, if applicable. This document outlines the structure, objectives, and regulations of your company. It's a crucial legal document, so it's best to seek professional assistance from a lawyer specializing in business setup. Once you have your lease agreement and Memorandum of Association sorted, you'll need to open a corporate bank account with a local bank in Dubai. The DED will provide you with a list of approved banks, and you'll need to deposit a certain amount as share capital, which varies depending on your chosen legal structure. That's it for today's video. We've covered a lot of ground, from understanding the benefits of starting a business in Dubai, to navigating the licensing process and finding the perfect location. Starting a business is a journey, and like any good adventure, it comes with its own set of challenges and rewards. But remember, you're not alone in this journey. Dubai is a city that embraces entrepreneurship, with a supportive ecosystem and a wealth of resources available to help you succeed. So embrace the challenges, learn from your experiences, and never be afraid to seek guidance and support from fellow entrepreneurs, mentors, and business advisors. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more valuable business tips and insights, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. And most importantly, believe in yourself, your vision, and your ability to achieve your entrepreneurial dreams in Dubai. The future is yours to create.